Hello and thank you for joining. My name is Melody and I'm from Melody Crochet. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the back loop only double crochet. So we're going to start with this row of double crochets already because you're never going to have to do this really into a chain because you can't really work through the back loop only. Normally I like to start my tutorials at the slip knot and chain section, but now we're starting with a row of double crochets. I'm going to be chaining 3 for height and turning. And what you're going to do is check out the anatomy. The only difference between a regular double crochet and a back loop only double crochet is where you place your hook to start. So with all double crochets, you yarn over to start. Don't work into your chain. The strand that was on your hook doesn't count as a chain, so 1, 2, 3 chains that we did for height. And that means this is the guy that we're working with first. And he is a V. And normally you would go under both of those legs of the V, but for the back loop only, once you've yarned over, you're going to insert between the legs of that V into the back. Then yarn over and draw up that loop. There's 3 chains on your hook, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2. And that is a back loop only double crochet. Let's do this a couple more times, see if anything happens that I think needs suggestions, but it's pretty cut and dry. Make sure that you work loosely. And that's what it would look like at the end of a row. I'm going to do a couple more rows. Oh, that's our... That should show us. Okay, so here is 4 rows. This little line right here is made because we didn't work in both legs of the V. You'll see there's one on the back also. Since we turned, the leg that we left out is on a different side each row. And to count this, as far as rows, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So in between each rib, a pattern will be 2 rows. Make sure you're noticing that when you count. That's about all that's needed for this stitch. It is fabulous and wonderful. I hope you enjoy your project. Thanks for stopping in, and if you have any questions or comments about this stitch or would like to see any other basics video, I would love to share that with you. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time with another Melody Crochet Basics. Bye guys!